So over here on the top, you can see the path bar right here. So if I were to go around and click on the TT drive right here, then I go straight onto the drive. So if I were to go around over here onto a particular folder, then you go inside the folder, as you can see. If I were to go around over here, you can see that as I click, you get the options to access the other folders as well, like for example, raw images. Similarly, I can go ahead and click on the drop down menu right here to access out the other drives as well. So Pathbar is there on by default, but if it is not on, then you can go around onto Windows, and then what you can do is enable out the pathbar right here. But as I selected this actually got disabled, as you can see right here. You can still go around and navigate around, but having a pathbar is useful. So to re-enable it, I'm going to go around onto Windows and go to pathbar. But it does take up a bit of space right here, and you can see that if you want to conserve it, you can simply disable it out as well. On the pathbar, you can also see the quality control and the filter options right here, just like this. So if I were to go ahead and hide it, then they get hidden just like this as well. And that is how you can enable and disable and work around with the pathbar inside of Adobe Bridge. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.